Honey, I bought my mama grill for her birthday in June and she just now put it out. But this is what she likes to use for her grilling. We had some chicken wings, honey. Then she had put some kebab sausages on there. And then we also had some burgers. Oh my gosh. These burgers are absolutely amazing, y'all. So what she does is she chops up some onions and then she also puts some Worcestershire sauce in the meat. Oh my God. It makes the burger so juicy and so tender and just bomdiggity.com. Look at them, y'all. And then look at all of the meat. Ugh, we threw down like nobody's business because I have been wanting some barbecue chicken wings. And them burgers, oh my gosh, the grill flavor. And you gotta have a little burn on them kebabs now. Come on. What you think? Do you like your kebabs and sausages to be a little burnt?